Hi, I'm Kyle Tambornini, Managing Partner at Eason Tambornini. For over 30 years, our legal team has aggressively fought for clients injured in car accidents who need and deserve fair compensation for their injuries and property damage. Being without a car is frustrating, and repairs, even minor ones, are expensive. Add serious injuries and mounting medical bills, and the inability to work, and you've got a problem. We will fight to do everything possible to get you a fair maximum settlement. If you've been hurt in a car accident that wasn't your fault, or even partially your fault, we can help. We work on a contingency so you won't pay unless you win. Plus, we'll answer all your questions during your free consultation without any obligation to hire us. We bring 3 decades of experience helping clients just like you. We use our extensive network of legal professionals, including expert witnesses, medical specialists, and investigators, to build the strongest case possible. If you've been injured in a car accident, don't leave money on the table. It costs you nothing to find out if you have a case. It's our job to help people just like you. The insurance companies will work hard to deny your case, so don't hesitate to hire an attorney to fight for your claim.